Motivation, the powerhouse of goal achievement and productivity enhancement. The journey towards achieving your goals is paved with motivation. It's your fuel, pushing you forward, energizing your dreams. This motivation powers through all boundaries. Fueled by determination, it helps you overcome every challenge, defy every obstacle, making success attainable. It's not just about getting to the end goal. Motivation transforms how you journey. It intensifies your focus, making every task purposeful, every step significant. With motivation, productivity soars. It's the catalyst that sparks your work ethic, turning tasks into missions, duties into passions. You begin to see the difference. Your outputs become outstanding, your results remarkable. Motivation doesn't just increase quantity but enhances quality too. Imagine a sense of purpose in every task, pure enthusiasm in every project. That's the power of motivation, the secret to success. So, ignite your motivation, fuel your journey and watch as you accelerate towards your goals, achieving them one after another.